This is me. 30 days ago, I was waking up at 1 p.m., eating garbage and doing absolutely nothing with my life. I had no routine, no goals, and honestly, no real reason to get up in the morning. And then one day, something hit me. What if I actually tried, like really tried, for 30 days straight? No excuses, no breaks, just 30 days of actually showing up for myself. This is exactly what happened. Wake up early, move my body, eat something real, sleep before midnight. Nothing glamorous, nothing impressive, but I did not quit, and that was the whole point. Day 1, 6 a.m. alarm. I'm not going to lie, it was the hardest thing I had done in months. My body was not used to it. My brain was fighting me the entire time, but I got up. The first rule I gave myself was no phone for the first 30 minutes of the day, just water, fresh air, and movement. I did 5 push-ups on day 1, literally 5. I collapsed after that, but I did them. Days 2 through 5 looked exactly the same. Wake up early, move my body, eat something real, sleep before midnight. Nothing glamorous, nothing impressive, but I did not quit, and that was the whole point. Day 6 almost broke me. I skipped the workout, I ordered fast food, I sat on the couch and felt like everything I had built in 5 days just disappeared. I looked at myself and asked one question: do you want to feel this way for the rest of your life? And the answer was no. So day 7, I came back, harder than before. Here is what nobody tells you about building discipline. Missing one day is not the problem. Quitting after missing one day is the problem. I came back on day 7, and I did not miss another day after that. By day 10, something small but important shifted. I started waking up before my alarm went off. Week 2 is where things started getting interesting. The habits stopped feeling like punishment and started feeling normal. I added 3 new things to my routine: 10 pages of reading every day, a 20-minute walk outside, and no screens after 10 p.m. That last one sounds small, but it completely changed my sleep. I went from lying awake for 2 hours staring at my phone to falling asleep within minutes and actually waking up feeling rested. By day 15, people around me started noticing something different about me. Not the physical stuff, the energy, the way I walked into a room, the way I talked. Discipline does not just change your body, it changes how you see yourself, and people can feel that difference even before they can see it. Week 3 hit completely different. I was not forcing anything anymore. The routine was just my life now. I was waking up early without hating it. I was moving my body without dreading it. I was eating clean without feeling like I was missing out. My focus went through the roof. I could sit and work for 2 hours straight without touching my phone. Tasks that used to take me all day were getting done before noon. I had more energy than I had felt in years. And the crazy part is, I hadn't done anything extreme. No crash diet, no 5-hour gym sessions, just small, consistent actions done every single day without stopping. The final stretch. By day 26, I wasn't even counting days anymore. I was just living differently. My room was clean, my body felt stronger, my mind was clearer. I was going to sleep at a decent time and waking up with actual purpose. Day 30 came and I sat down and compared myself to who I was at day 1. Same stick figure on the outside, completely different person on the inside. The version of me from day 1 would not recognize this routine, would not believe it was possible. But here's the truth. It wasn't talent that changed things. It wasn't motivation. Motivation comes and goes. It was just showing up every single day, even when I didn't feel like it. 30 days is not a long time, but it is long enough to prove to yourself that you are capable of more than you think. If you're sitting there right now feeling stuck, feeling lazy, feeling like nothing is working, just try 30 days. Not for anyone else, for you. Start tomorrow. Start with one thing. Wake up earlier, drink more water, move your body. Just start. And if this video helped you in any way, make sure you subscribe because there's a lot more coming. See you in the next one.